10 years. But when it was time for them to take their relationship to the next step accepted by society, Jagdish was hesitant. Looks like he was scared of commitment and wanted to live as a free bird. But when the youths of Kalasipuram got to know about this, they were determined to get Lakshmi what she deserved. The locals caught Jagdish and got him married to Lakshmi forcefully. Jagdish sobbed bitterly during the wedding, obviously not too happy at being married. Well, his newlywed wife, though, could not stop to seem laughing at the incident. Well, according to what they say, 4 years ago, Jagdish had kidnapped Lakshmi and later dropped her back to her house. But soon after this, he was absconding. But recently, when youths noticed him in Mysore, they took him to the Mandi police station. He agreed to marry Lakshmi in front of the police, but soon took a U-turn when it was time for him to marry her. Enraged by this, the youths forcefully took him to a temple and got him married to Lakshmi. Now, even after the marriage, Jagdish seemed to be upset with what transpired. Well, definitely there, a very interesting incident coming to the light there. A groom being forcefully, being forced to marry his bride. And for more details on this very interesting incident, let me go across to my colleague Nikhil over the phone line. So Nikhil, can you explain to us what exactly are we seeing on our screens right now?
Well, probably Jagdish is commitment phobic, which is why even after courting this lady Lakshmi for over 10 years, he refused to marry her. When she proposed the whole marriage thing, that is when he stepped back and he clearly raised his hands off it. And when the local youth supporting a certain organization were told about this, they ensured that justice was done to Lakshmi, and they brought things under their control after they nabbed Jagdish, and they took him to the Mandi Mohalla police station, where Jagdish did agree to get married to Lakshmi, fearing the otherwise consequences of it. He never wanted to spend any time behind bars, which is why he plainly accepted marriage with Lakshmi, and after stepping out, he did a U-turn claiming that he would never ever marry Lakshmi and he never wanted to. And keeping in mind that there was always a chance for Jagdish to escape from Mysore itself and betray Lakshmi of all the promises which were made to her by him, the youths immediately rushed him to the temple where they got him married to Lakshmi. And this is the episode, this is the incident that you see before yourself on the screen, where Jagdish, and evidently upset Jagdish. Probably these are not those ideal tears of happiness, but this is certainly tears, these are certainly tears which have come out as Jagdish is upset with him being forcibly married to Lakshmi.
Now Nikhil, one thing that seems to stand out in these particular visuals very interestingly is that we can see the bride laughing and the groom crying.
Well, at the end of it, the bride did get what she wanted to. She wanted to get married to Jagdish because they had courted each other for close to 10 years. So it was but obvious for the bride to want to get married to Jagdish, and obviously Jagdish detesting it. All these events went against his thoughts, probably against his expectations, which is why we see him crying. And obviously when the man you're getting married to is crying, it becomes humorous, and that is probably why Lakshmi is seen laughing or even giggling about it. But again, at the end of it, it is a happy day for Lakshmi as she gets what she wants. That was to get married to Jagdish.
Now, Nikhil, they have been married forcefully. In fact, Jagdish has been forced into the marriage. That is something that we know. But what is the guarantee that he's actually going to stick around with Lakshmi and through thick and thin after this particular marriage and would not run away like he did earlier?
That is the question many are asking at this point in time. Now that the marriage has been done, how long would the marriage last for is the question most people have. Even we believe that even family members of Jagdish have come out asking similar questions. There was never a need for him to be forcibly married to Lakshmi, and now that it has happened, it is just for time to answer how long this particular marriage will last, if at all that bond will be between this couple.
Nikhil, I'm going to put you on hold for now, but these visuals that you see on your screens are definitely very interesting. You can see the bride laughing, in fact trying to control her laughter, and the groom in tears as he is forcefully married to Lakshmi. Now they have been courting each other for 10 years, but at the last minute this man refused to marry the girl. When a local organization came to know about the incident, they forced this man to in fact go ahead with the marriage. And these are the visuals of their very interesting marriage that you see on your screens. The incident took place in Mysore. Coming back to you, Nikhil, we also do understand that there's a kidnapping angle to the story as well. What is all that about?
This was an incident that occurred around 4 years back when Jagdish had abducted Lakshmi from her house. We should also know that Lakshmi's father passed away a few years back. Ever since then, it is only she and her mother as a family living in the house. Therefore, keeping that in mind, keeping in mind the kind of helplessness that prevailed in the household of Lakshmi, Lakshmi was abducted by Jagdish around 4 years back, and she was brought back the very next day. And that was during the time when the couple were courting each other. Therefore, that was just a one-off incident. But in a time like this, when Jagdish is backing off from marriage, when Jagdish is not living up to the promises he made to Lakshmi, all such instances are being brought to the fore by Lakshmi and her mother. But at the end of it all, it is the game won for Lakshmi and her mother, as they managed to nab the man who they believed was the right one, and now they have been married, and that is where the situation stands as of now. And as I said a little earlier, the question continues to be that how long will the marriage last for?
Well, thank you, Nikhil, for all those details there. Well, very interesting visuals of a very different kind of a wedding that took place in Mysore. The bride is laughing, but the groom was crying on his wedding, owing to the fact that he was forced into it. The groom, who was commitment phobic, was forced, but we definitely hope that this love story sees a happy ending and that they live happily ever after.